Alright, today I'm upgrading my power supply to the GIGABYTE P750GM 80 Plus Gold rated. So first things first, I need to remove the old power supply. I'm starting by disconnecting all the cables. That includes the 24-pin motherboard power cable, the 8-pin CPU power cable, and also the PCIe cables going into the graphics card. Make sure everything is fully unplugged before moving on, just to avoid any issues. Next, from the back side of the case, I'm pulling out all the cables and freeing them from the cable management. Now I'll remove the 4 screws holding the power supply in place. Since this is a modular unit, I'm also disconnecting all the cables from the PSU itself to make it easier to take it out. And there we go. The old power supply is out. Now it's time for the new one. This is the GIGABYTE P750GM, a 760-watt power supply with an 80 plus gold efficiency rating. That basically means it's more efficient, produces less heat, and is generally more reliable compared to lower-rated units. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. Inside, we have the power supply itself, a set of modular cables, mounting screws, and the power cable. Since this is a fully modular power supply, I'll only use the cables that I actually need. That helps with cleaner cable management and better airflow inside the case. So the cables I'll be using are the 24-pin cable for the motherboard, the 8-pin CPU power cable, PCIe cables for the graphics card, and a SATA power cable for my storage drive. Also, my fan controller is powered via SAT, so I'll connect that as well. Now I'll start installing the new PCU. I'm sliding it into place carefully and aligning it with the screw holes. Then I secure it with the 4 screws from the backside. Make sure it's properly tightened so it doesn't move or vibrate. Now it's time to connect everything. Before closing the case, I'm going to spend a bit of time on cable management. Routing the cables properly not only makes the build look cleaner, but also improves airflow, which can help with temperatures. Alright, everything is connected. I'm closing the side panels and placing the PC back on the desk. Now it's time for the moment of truth. First, power on. And there we go. Everything is working perfectly.